Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. I'm excited to have a couple of folks here who are working in some innovative technology. My name is Dominic. I'm the founder and CEO of Transform. And I'd like to introduce Amit and Apurva. If you want to go ahead and introduce yourselves real quick.
Hey, I'm Amit. I'm co-founder of NexDox. My background is in product development and product strategies. My focus before I met Apurva was exclusively on government, uh, population health, and healthcare in general. But when we started talking, me and Apurva started talking about life science and the issues they have. There were a theme that we found that is consistent across various whether you are in healthcare or life science, it's the same. At NexDox, me and Apurva, we joined together to use technology as an enabler to revolutionize the way life science industry approaches compliance and quality. Apurva.
Thank you, Amit, for that. Hi, everyone. I'm Apurva. I'm also one of the co-founders at NexDox. My background is in quality and compliance, specifically in the life sciences domain. Having worked in this space for about 17 years and very closely with the regulatory bodies such as the FDA and the EMA, I've seen firsthand how inefficient and cumbersome these documentation processes can be. So at NexDocs, we are the next generation of documentation, and we are here to solve that problem. So we are excited here to share our journey with you guys.
Yeah, awesome. That sounds really good. As you know, I've worked in regulated industry as well for many, many years, and every time there's an opportunity to work and reduce some of the overhead that typically comes in industry, right? I think it's an exciting thing to look at and see if there's anything to be done differently. So if you can, tell us a little bit about the problem that you're looking to solve with NexDocs AI.
Sure, Dominic. So in highly regulated industries such as like the biotech and the pharma domain, documentation is one of the most significant bottlenecks. Whether we are talking about regulatory submissions, compliance reports, or any internal documentation, these processes are very manual and time consuming and often prone to errors. So what NextDocs does is that it transforms this process by harnessing the power of AI to streamline documentation workflows. So not only we are ensuring greater accuracy and compliance, but we're also accelerating the time to market, providing a critical edge in today's competitive landscape.
Very, very interesting. I mean, this documentation aspect, right? I mean, it's a critical piece of compliance to show what you're doing is in line with requirements, right? Regulatory requirements, not only user requirements. Yeah. And so if you look at this technology that you're offering to your customers, how does NexDocs go about solving that, right? If you look at somebody who's maybe been doing things in a traditional way, kind of like a process that's converted, paper into a paper-like electronic process. So what does that, how do you solve that with your technology?
Absolutely. And I'm going to echo the customer's voice here. So what NexDocs does is that it uses proprietary and patented technologies using our AI models that we've been trained on thousands of documents from all types of regulatory bodies, the FDA, the EMA, the ICH. So our latest tool, Jumpstart, what it does is that it automates the generation of these high quality compliant documents for a variety of functions, whether it's a technical document, whether it's a regulatory filing, whether it's a quality report. What this does is that it doesn't just save time, but also ensures consistency and compliance with the latest regulations. So likewise, we have several other products in the pipeline with the goal to streamline these drug development and manufacturing processes in the life sciences industry.
Fascinating. Yeah, again, that's, I think, a problem looking to be solved. Yeah. So where are you currently at with your development? I mean, is there something to look at, something to buy? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, absolutely. Let me take that question. At NexDocs, the way we are approaching towards the entire product is instead of creating a big one product fits all. We are trying to go a toolbox approach or modular approach towards products, so that we create small products which can fit into the entire life cycle or process of our clients, and clients can select what they want to kind of pick and choose based on their requirements. So for example, recently we launched Jumpstart, which is our AI tool showcasing our AI capability in life science to generate documents. We have some early adopters right now with whom we are working, and we see a consistent reduction in document generation timeline by about 80%. We are gearing up right now to kind of release it for a wider audience, where they will be able to buy based on licenses. And what we add to that feature is we want to be more enterprise centric, which means we provide enterprise connectors, APIs, which can integrate with their API, their enterprise systems, whatever they have. So it will be kind of interesting to see not only how they use it, but we believe we will see from the clients new use cases which we may not have thought about of using these components or these applications and products. Back to you, Dominic.
All right. Again, good to see that you're thinking about enterprise environments, right? Because I would anticipate that most of the users are in a larger environment, right, and have specific needs. So if you can accommodate that, I think that's a big opportunity there. Yeah, fascinating. Generative AI, and how good it's been getting, right? And the document generation that's used in regulatory requirements. I mean, that seems like a match made in heaven. So good for you guys to pick up on that and chase that opportunity down. If somebody wants to learn more about NexDox, see a demo, get in touch with you guys, what's a good place to go?
Absolutely. We can be reached at www.nexdox.ai. That's our website. But you can also independently reach us via email at apurva@nexdox.ai or amit@nexdox.ai. You can follow us on LinkedIn for updates and announcements.
Okay, that's awesome. I'll put the URL into the post with the podcast. Maybe not the emails, but I think anybody who's watching it, they maybe took some notes and can contact you directly as desired.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amit and Apurva, to join here and share a little bit about your product and your journey. And all the best with NexDox AI.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.